Scam 1992 इसकी टोपी उसके सर पे लोग निकले अपने घर से करने हेरा फेरी रात के अंधेरे में। लोग यहाँ पे है दफन अपनी खुद की चाल में, शक्ल इनकी दिखती साफ अंदर बेईमान है। काटने को है तैयार जेब ये आराम से, देना ना नसीहत यहाँ पे सारे समझदार हैं। पैसे की हो बात तो पैसों से वफादार है, पूरे होंगे सपने मेरे ये तो शुरुआत है। मैं आया हूँ अतीत से बनाने मेरा कल, सताने वाले काफी यहाँ पे मददगार कम। पैसे से पैसा कमाया काला नहीं धन, खरीदे मेरे सपने नहीं है इनमें दम। मैंने मानी नहीं हार जब भी बुरा वक्त आया, बढ़ूं कैसे आगे मुझे वक्त ने सिखाया। अब मिलते नहीं वो लोग जिन्होंने मुझे गिराया, उन लोगों को पता है अब वक्त किसका आया 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 आया।
You're saying the installation will be done in 24 hours?
Yes, sir. 1 second, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
It will be done by 24 hours, sir. Installation.
And what time will be the connection active?
Within 24 hours, sir. Like they will contact you, sir.
Okay, so within 24 hours the connection will also be
24
done,
hours.
and
Yes, sir.
the internet will also be active, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Our team will contact you, sir. I will register your
And may I know
request.
the reason for the delay?
Yes, sir. We apologize for the delay, sir. But now we will register your request, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Thanks.
Thanks for the confirmation. So we have received your email that is as installation is not done, so the refund has to be initiated.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So I can see that there is a delay in installation. So we have escalated it to your concern, sir.
Ma'am,
So the
kitna
connection
delay?
is not.
How? Kitna din?
Sir, I can see that the order has been created on 13th of March.
Right.
But as the yes, sir. So here too they have mentioned that the area is not feasible. So
Ma'am,
we have to cancel the order.
I will tell you one thing. एक एग्जीक्यूटिव आपके घर पे आके feasibility check करके गए, and after that I made the payment, right?
Yes, sir.
So if it was not
Okay.
feasible, मेरे से payment क्यों लिया?
Yes, sir. So I understand from your point too, sir. But they have mentioned there is a port faulty. That is the reason they are unable to install the connection.
Ma'am,
So,
you are a
now
company
we have all-
like Airtel. Alright, you're a huge broadband provider and एक port faulty है तो connection नहीं लग रहा है पूरी area में.
So we are very sorry for what has happened.
It's been
Definitely we'll pass the feedback to our sales
15
team,
to
sir.
18 days, ma'am. And like, it's not your fault. I'm not saying it to you, but I have paid and I'm not getting any responses and nothing. The mail trail is going on from 7 to 8 days.
Yes, sir. So as I told you, definitely even I will escalate
And
it,
on
sir.
on every mail, I get the same standard response that the thing is escalated and we'll get back to you shortly. There's nothing
So
happening.
because the order has to be cancelled, so still the order is not cancelled.
कितना दिन
That is
लगेगा
the reason
कैंसिल
that-
करने को भी कितना दिन लगेगा?
Sir, as I told you, definitely we'll escalate it offline and we'll make sure that at the earliest the order will be cancelled. Once the order is cancelled, the amount will be automatically refunded to your source account, sir. So from which you have made
It's
the
fine.
payment.
Give me a time. कितना दिन में होगा, कितना घंटे में होगा, या फिर कितना टाइम लगेगा? Give me a fixed date.
Sir, I cannot confirm time from
That
my
is the
end, sir,
thing.
because we have-
Nobody is able to confirm. How are you guys working? Date is not confirmed, not time is confirmed. Nobody is able to give any date commitment or time commitment.
Sir, I understand, but due to some technical issues, it is
What
getting delayed,
technical
sir, but
issue?
definitely,
Explain to me what technical issue there are to cancel the order and give me a fixed date.
Sir, I'll clearly mention everything and definitely will escalate it. So,
I find you will escalate it. It doesn't matter to me, right? You go tell it to your CEO. It doesn't matter to me because I'm not getting my money back.
Yes, sir.
So you escalate it or you do anything with it. It doesn't matter to me. I need my money back or I need a service. And you are escalating it since 7 to 8 days. The meal trail is going on. Everyone is escalating it. Nothing is happening. So what's the use of escalating it?
Sir, I'll mention your case and definitely will escalate.
Now tell me one thing. Is it escalated right now or not?
Sir, it is already escalated. on
Right?
32
So what
of
happened
March.
then? What's the output?
Sir, we have not got the
There's
reward yet,
nothing.
sir,
There's
because-
no output. So how are you guys working? That's what I'm asking. Give me a reason that what is the technical issue? Explain it to me. That you are not able to cancel the order at least and give me my refund.
Sir, this once the order is cancelled, definitely the amount will be
When will
refunded.
the order be cancelled? That's what I'm asking you. Give me a fixed time.
Sir, please wait for another 72 hours of time. So
Another
within that time
72
we will-
hours to cancel the order. Why?
Sir, because now we have to escalate it, sir, again, because I can see
How
that on,
much?
the
Where are you
22nd of
escalating it to
March-
heaven?
Sir, for the back end, we have to escalate it.
What?
sir, to
Tell me
get
what's the
order.
escalation matrix. Tell me what is the escalation matrix.
Sir, we have our separate escalation matrices. So
That's
from
what I'm
our-
asking. What is the escalation matrix? To what level the issue is escalated right now? And what level are you going to escalate it?
Sir, there is a consent team that is for a new connection to cancel the order. There is
So
consent team for that. we have
my
to-
order is still with the consent team.
Yes, sir, because the order is still not cancelled.
What? See, I am
So the
asking to cancel the order on email in 7 days. If the order is still not cancelled, then what can I do?
Sir, I'll clearly mention your issue and
And you will
definitely make
escalate
sure
it,
that-
right?
Okay.
To whom?
Sir, on priority basis, it will be done, sir.
In what time? Tell me in what time? How much time? And give me a fixed date. That's what I'm asking.
Sir, please wait for 72 hours of time. So
What
definitely we
what
can
date
start
and what
cancel.
time? Tell me what date and what time. Don't give me 72 hour shit.
Sir, please wait till 4th of April, sir. So
4th of
that time
April,
definitely-
afternoon 4.
Sure, sir. So definitely we'll make sure that within that time frame.
So this
the
is your
order will be
commitment
done.
from Airtel to me that on 4th of April afternoon 4 I am going to get my refund.
Sir, if once the order is cancelled, so it will take minimum
No, no.
7 days. So
Why 7 days?
days?
पैसे लेने को तो घर पे आ गए थे तुम लोग. और चेक करके कनेक्शन किया ना. I told that guy, the guy who came for checking the feasibility, I asked him 10 times that if it is fixed that you are going to connect it, then only take the order. So
Sir,
this
I
kind
know
of
that
fake
the
commitment, if you are making fake commitments, then 7 दिन तो मैं नहीं रुकूंगा मेरे पैसे के लिए. मेरे को चाहिए पैसा.
Sir, I understand
Or
that
else
once
do one
the-
thing, simple. I want my money back with interest. You take 1 month more.
Sir, definitely make sure that the earliest it will be done, sir. So the amount will also be refunded.
What?
So the order will be cancelled, the amount will be refunded.
That's what I'm
We will
asking.
make sure that-
Refund me with the interest of the days you're using my amount because it's not any use to me, right? मैंने पैसा क्यों दिया है आपको? सर्विस के लिए दिया है. ना सर्विस मिली ना कुछ मिला. ये मेंटल हैरेसमेंट अलग हो रही है.
Sir, I understand. So regarding the sales executive, if you provide me the contact number and his name, definitely will take.
Whose name and contact number? Yes, I can give you the contact number. And after taking money, he's not even visiting or not even updating anything.
Yes, sir. So if you provide me that, definitely we can take the action against the sales executive because no customer should face those kind of issues in future. We can make sure that. But please
That's
give
what
us
I'm
some time to
saying.
send the order and
If you're making a fake commitment, so that's wrong for the whole company. Because see now, right now, there's no mistake of yours, but you're listening, right?
Yes, sir. So
So I understand. I don't mean to like say anything to you, but the problem is I am messaging and emailing from 7 days to 8 days, and I'm still not getting any resolution. Alright, that's the reason I'm frustrated.
Yes, sir. So from your point of view, I understand, but definitely, even I'll try to make your issue resolved at the earliest, sir. So even I'll be escalating it offline from my end too.
So please take the number.
Yes, sir.
It is 8329
8329
3
3
99259.
99259. So it is 83293 99259.
Yeah. So I don't
Yes,
remember
sir.
the
So
guy's
I'll-
name, but if you are
That's
able
okay,
to
sir. Only
you
with the
might-
contact number we can, with the contact number we can register the complaint.
Please
So
do
I'll
it.
register the
And will I
complaint.
get a copy?
Yes, sir. I'll give you a complaint ID, complaint number too.
Yes, please do give me a complete number so even I can keep it.
Sure. Sure, sir. Sure.
Alright, and what about my refund again?
Sir, definitely it will be refunded. So, as I told you that this order has to be cancelled. Once the order is cancelled, the amount will get automatically
That's what I'm
refunded.
asking. Order cancel करने को कितना time लगता है? Why is it taking so much time? 72 hours to cancel an order?
So it has to be cancelled, and if the connection is feasible or if the order has to be cancelled, it has to be
If
done.
the connection was feasible, it would have been connected right now, right? It's not connected.
Yes, sir.
It's obviously not feasible.
Yes, that is what, sir. So whether it is feasible or if it is not feasible, so the connection should be installed or it should be cancelled within 72 hours of time. But we know that in your case it is taking time. As I told you, sir, so we'll make sure that it will be cancelled at the earliest and the amount will be refunded.
Please do it.
Sure, sir.
Thanks.
So thank you so much. Thanks for the invitation.